Hello guys, welcome back to another Scratch tutorial on how to make a zombie hunter game in Scratch. Okay, so let me introduce you what we've got so far. We've got the home screen, press space to start, and we've got a shooting player, can shoot. Okay, so now let's make it. I need to change something really quick. To change this to cos, okay, and then now we will put in a set x to y to x position divided by 1.2, and then the x is negative 480 and the y is 0. Okay, put it there and there and there. Okay, change that to cos. Okay, let's test that. Okay, this is good, very good. We've got our moving layer. Now, and I forgot to put in this 0.6. Last time I put in 0.8, which is bad. And let's go to the bullet. Oh, it's already good. And I forgot to show you these 3 costumes: normal, fast, strong zombies. And in the agent, I've got a new player, Uzi, and then the bullet. Okay, so let's go to zombies and let's code in. When I receive home screen, we will hide. Then when I receive start, we will put in a forever loop. We'll make a variable named type for this sprite only, and forever we'll set type to put in 4 pick randoms. Pick random 1 to pick random 1 to pick random 2 to pick random 2 to 3. I hope we got that. Okay, so now we will put in a go to x 240, y pick random negative 180 to 180. Oh, okay. So now we'll create a clone of myself and we will wait. Pick random like 0.5 seconds to 4 seconds. Yeah. Okay. So now we'll add the movement. Okay. So we'll put in when I start as a clone, we will show. Okay. And then we'll put in an if type equals 1. Then we'll switch costume to, wait, oh no, actually, if I put in a switch costume to type, that should do it. Okay, and then a forever loop, point towards mouse pointer, if type equals to 1, then we will move 1 step. Get that. If type equals 2, we'll move 3 steps. Type 1 is 2 steps. And then if type equals 3, I'll move it 1 step. Okay, let's test that. Hopefully that works. Ooh, Okay. Oh, not point towards the mouse pointer. Point towards agent. Okay. See, we have this zombie, maybe another type of zombie. Okay, this is a rare one, the strong one, the fast one, zombies all there. Now we want to add the shooting. Okay, so in the bullet, we'll put in when I start as a clone, we'll wait until touching zombies, and then we'll wait 0 seconds, and we'll simply delete this clone. Okay, so now in the zombies, we'll put in an if touching bullet. We will simply add an effect, so we'll set brightness effect to 100, and we will add lives to the enemy, so we'll put in a live variable for this bright only. And okay, so in here we'll put in a bunch of ifs. I'll duplicate this. Okay, put a bunch of ifs, put this away, and then we'll simply put in set lives to 3. Then we'll do that to the number 2 again, and then type number 3, we'll set lives to 6. Okay, and then in here we'll change lives by -1. And before all of that, I will put in a set brightness effect to 0 right there, and right before this too, we'll put in a wait 0 seconds. Okay, just to reduce lag. Okay, so let me test that, and yes, it's working. Okay, the lives may be going down, but it's not dying, so we want that to happen. Okay, so if touching bullet, if lives is less than 1, then you'll wait 0 seconds. Actually, yes, and then we'll delete this clone. Okay, so let's test that. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, it works. Wait, let me check that. Okay, it does work. Very good. So now we want to add a new. We want to change the gun. Pretty simple. Okay, so we'll put in a new variable named gun for all sprites. Okay, so when the number 1 key pressed, then we'll simply switch off. We'll set gun to 1, and then in here, in this, when I receive start, we'll switch costume to gun. Okay, duplicate this. When 2 key pressed, we will put in an if gun. We'll add a variable named score full sprites, and in the home, in the home screen, when I receive home screen, we'll hide variable gun, and we'll hide variable score, and then in here we'll show both of them again. Okay, so now in the zombies, when I receive start, we'll set score to 0, And then right here, we'll change score by 1. Should do it. Okay. So now in here, we'll put in an if score is more than like 9, so it's 10 and above. We'll set gun to 2. Let's test that. I think that's good. Okay. And you might be wondering why it's a black screen version of Scratch. I use the extension named Scratch Add-ons. You can go to the link in the description. It's a very useful extension. It makes you clean up blocks better, and you can even find a dark mode and many others. Okay. And wait, let me see. Okay, let me test it. Okay, press space to start. Wait, oh my goodness, the gun variable should be here and the score should be here. Okay, let's go. Oh, and oh my goodness, we will put in here, we'll put in Uzi instead of numbers. And I forgot to add in the bullet. In here, we'll put in an if gun equals pistol, then we'll do that. And then if gun equals Uzi, then it's going to be inaccurate, so we'll plus that with a pick random -5 to 5, and in the agent, let me copy that. Okay, let that. Okay, so we'll put it there, and the wait 0.6 seconds is in the pistol, and the wait 0.1 seconds is in the Uzi. It's not done yet. Oh. Okay, and in the zombies, okay, in here, in touching bullet, we'll put in an and equal sign gun equals pistol, and then we'll do that. And if touching bullet and gun equals Uzi, we will change large by -0.3. That's good. Let's test that. It's a good time to test it. Okay, press space, and oh my goodness, is it a wrong? That's good, right? Why is it like that? Direction of agent plus pick random. That's good, right? Oh, we didn't set the gun right. Set gun to pistol, and should do it. Okay, so let's test that. Okay, wait until 9 seconds. I'll speed this up. Okay, let me press number 2, and we got the Uzi working. Very good. Okay, so thank you for watching, guys. If you liked the video, please smash the like button and hit the subscribe button, ring the bell for more Scratch tutorials, and comment on the video what you think about the video.